In this guide, we're going to show you how you can verify your age here on X, aka Twitter. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But sometimes when you're scrolling here on X, you may see certain posts or profiles that are hidden behind an age restriction. For example, I don't even really need to give an example actually, because there's so much content on X that's going to be censored. If you want to view it, obviously you could tap show, it's going to say hidden. And if you don't have your age verified, this is going to open up the age verification screen where you'll need to confirm that you're at least 18 years old. And if the screen doesn't pop up for you, click on your profile and go into the settings and privacy, select security and account access, and then select security. And from here, you're going to have that exact same page right here. Now, there's two ways to do this. You can use a fast selfie or a selfie and an ID. The quicker option is obviously going to be that fast selfie, so I recommend selecting that. But essentially, X is going to request that you give them access to your camera and your microphone, and you're just going to make sure you're in a well-lit space and line your face up with the requirements of the frame that it does give you, and just snap a clear selfie. In the bottom right, there's going to be an option to use photo. Select it and then hit continue. And if everything does check out, your age is going to be verified instantly, and you'll be able to view whatever restricted content there might be. And trust me, there's a lot of it. But if for some reason that fast selfie does fail, don't worry. You just got to go back to this section and you can select selfie and ID, or just opt in to just send your ID as well. Just keep in mind that these methods are going to take a little bit longer, since you do need to upload a picture of your ID along with your selfie, or just a picture of your ID. But obviously it is a lot more reliable. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.